I am going to explain about the amendments of the constitutional powers and the procedures in India. Introduction. The constitution of the country is described by the supreme law, reflecting the general will of the people. According to the Oxford's Dictionary of Law, amendment means changes made in legislation for the purpose of adding to, correcting, or modifying the operations of the legislation. Constitutional amendments in India. Amendment procedure to the Indian Constitution is reflective of the desire of the Constitutional Legislative Assembly to put in the place of dynamic document. Constitution of the India provides for three distinct amendment process which combines flexibility and rigidity. Amendments of social majority, special majority, and special majority of the parliament and the consequence of the state. Next, amendments by the simple majority. The certain provisions can be amended by the simple majority, mostly like passing an original law. For instance, creation of the new states, alternating in the size of states, or qualifying of the citizenship. Next, the amendment by the simple majority. The amendment by the simple majority explains about the administration or the establishment of the new states, formation of the new states, and the alteration areas of the existing states, and many other provisions are made. Next, amendments by the simple majority. Special majority. Most provisions of the constitution records amendment through the special majority. Where special majority is where 2/3 of the members of the house present and voting included the majority of its total membership. The expression total membership means the total number of members comprising the house irrespective of the fact where there are vaccinations or absentees. The provisions which are amended by this way include the fundamental rights, directive principles of the state, all other provisions which are covered by the first and the third categories. Amendment by the special majorities of the parliament and the consequent state. Those provisions of the constitutions which are related to the federal structure of the policy that are amended by a special majority of the parliament, and also with the consequence of the half of the state legislature by the simple majority. There is no time limit within which the state should give their consequence to the bill. The following provisions can be amended in this way: election of the president and its manner, extent of the consecutive powers of the union and the state, supreme courts and high courts, distribution of the legislative powers between the union and the states, any of the list in the 7th schedule, representation of the state in the parliament, and powers of parliament to amend the constitution and its procedure. Amendment powers of the parliament. The parliament's authorities to amend the constitution, especially for fundamental rights of the citizens, and creates a conflict situation between the parliament and the judiciary. The land reformers were included to achieve the redistribution of wealth. Constitutional validity of these legislative measures was often challenges as a violated of the fundamental rights to the property guided under the Article 31 of the Constitution. Thank you.